The horizontal movement of air is called wind. The movement is caused by the difference in air pressure. Permanent pressure belts. There are some permanent pressure belts or zones in the world which are as follows. First, equatorial low pressure belts. In the equatorial region between 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south latitudes, the temperature is high throughout the year. The atmospheric pressure in this area is always low. This pressure belt is also known as doldrums. The calm and baffling winds in this region makes sailing difficult. Polar high pressure belts. The polar regions are extremely cold throughout the year. In these regions, the atmospheric pressure is high. Subtropical high pressure belts around 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south latitudes. The air extremes creates belts of high pressure in these two regions. These high pressure regions are known as the subtropical high pressure belts or horse latitudes. Subpolar low pressure belts. The cold winds blowing from the polar high pressure belts and warm winds blowing from the subtropical high pressure belts meet around the 60 degree latitudes in both the hemispheres and give rise to low pressure. These two regions are called subpolar low pressure belts. Permanent winds. The winds arising due to the permanent pressure belts are called permanent winds. There are three permanent winds blowing from high pressure to low pressure belts. These are the trade winds, the westerlies, and the polar winds. Trade winds. The winds blowing from the subtropical high pressure belts to the equatorial low pressure belts is called trade winds. Westerlies. The winds blowing from the subtropical high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts is called westerlies. Polar winds. These winds blow in the frigid zones from the polar high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts. They are also known as the polar easterlies. Roaring forties. In southern hemisphere near 40 degree latitude, the brave west blowing wind is called the roaring forties. Cyclones. A cyclone is an area of low pressure with strong winds about the center. Monsoon. Seasonal wind which blows in a particular direction in a particular season. Anticyclone. It is an area of high pressure with gentle winds blowing in a spiral towards the surrounding low pressure areas.